Wow.
Yeah, nigga, are you really down to ride? You know Ali Shay got the goons in the back of the motherfucking truck. They down to ride. They got the black mask with the gat, nigga, ready to shoot at any nigga that's ready to motherfucking get it, nigga. Yeah.
Tell me if you down to ride, baby. I'll be with the homicide. Friend or foe, gotta watch how these niggas ride. Crazy, is you really by my side? I don't know. Tell me if you down to ride, baby. I'll be with the homicide. Friend or foe, gotta watch how these niggas ride. Crazy, is you really by my side? I don't know. Bitches stay talking how they really with the shits, and it's time to hit the field. And these niggas gotta feel it, and I pull up on the field, and it's only single digits. Where the gang go, y'all bitches wasn't with it this why I creep low, and I'm always by my dolly. Can't nobody say that they really know me. I done did a lot of shit, I done hit a couple licks. I done been on gang time, get some bitches got the fit, but I had to sit back and realize who I is. Bitches wasn't on the same time, different grids. Bitches wasn't trying to lay shit up, unplugged. Bitches tripped me out while I was slipping in the mud, but I came back stronger, yeah, 10 times bolder. And I got a little wiser with the weight on my shoulder, but I came back stronger, yeah, 10 times bolder. And I got a little wiser with the weight on my shoulder. Tell me if you down to ride, baby. I'll be with the homicide. Friend or foe, gotta watch how these niggas ride. Crazy, is you really by my side? I don't know. Tell me if you down to ride, baby. I'll be with the homicide. Friend or foe, gotta watch how these niggas ride. Crazy, is you really by my side? I don't know. Now I find it so funny how these niggas really on me. They be cool with my nigga, but we tryna get to know me. Slide up in my DMs, tryna put the Mac on me. Got beef from the king, settle down, little homie. I done watched day one niggas switch up on the team. Domination is the king, that place the crown on the queen. I lost a real nigga to a snake ass bitch. Should've helped him cut his grass from the hedge, build a fence. December 28th, looking back ever since. Always in my dream, tell it go get a sis. And every day I wake up, I crack a smile as I'm tryna get my cake up. Walk through real shit, no makeup. My brother told me that I gotta keep a thing tucked. Come this way and you gon' touch your luck. Come this way and you gon' touch your luck. Nigga, what's up? Tell me if you down to ride, baby. I'll be with the homicide. Friend or foe, gotta watch how these niggas ride. Crazy, is you really by my side? I don't know. Tell me if you down to ride, baby. I'll be with the homicide. Friend or foe, gotta watch how these niggas ride. Crazy, is you really by my side? I don't know.
Domination.
Hold me close now and take control of it. Don't be afraid to do all the things that you wanna do with it. Let's take our time, boy. Make it last together. Cherish the moment, 'cause nothing lasts forever. You see me, I see you watching. Come to me, tell me what's poppin'. Trust that I'll be down, no stopping. You don't have to just a little more. Don't let go, just a little more. More and more, you be coming back for more. Give me more. Lock the door, don't stop, give me more and more. More and more, love me just a little more. Don't let go, just a little more. I love you to let me down. Let me see you can no more. Give you all of me, you won't regret this for sure. I love you to let me down. Let me all the way till 4 in the morning. You be coming back for more. More and more, you be coming back for more. Lock the door, don't stop, give me more and more. More and more, let me just.
We love.
Ow.
We love. Hey guys, you are now listening to Domination Radio with your host Shay.
And Jess. Hey.
No, that was mad cute, mad happy. Like, no, you got to be sounding gangster, my nigga. Like, you
Alright,
can't.
what's poppin'?
Not yet. Yeah, like, nah. You gotta be mad, like, gangster. Like, when you come in, you gotta be like, yo, this Domination Radio.
I'm not gangster, so let it go.
Just like sugar and spice over here. But anyway, how was your week?
It was alright. I was just working, and that was pretty much it. I didn't really go out this weekend, so I stayed home and watched Greenleaf.
That sounds like some old ass grandma shit.
It's lit on Netflix. You guys should check it out.
That shit sound trash.
It's actually really, really good.
What is it about?
It's about this family and the pastor, and he owns a church, and the uncle was molesting.
Okay, all right, next.
Yeah.
We not talking about
So
that.
next,
We're not talking about that.
how was your week?
Oh, I was working all week for 10 hours a day, dying, sleeping, tired. Nah, my week was like, it was lit. Like, it was okay. I just was working and shit and, you know, trying to come up with video ideas and shit because, you know, I got mad shit coming out for y'all. No, but speaking of, like, all this shit coming out, whatever, right? I just had something to say.
Yeah.
All right, about female rappers, right? Because I have to touch on this. Why is there such a double standard with female rappers and male rappers when it comes down to longevity and how old you have to be to do something in the game? Like, I don't understand.
You're here to defend who?
I'm here to defend myself as a female rapper,
Nah.
and I'm here to defend my mother too. Everybody know who I'm here to defend, Nicki Minaj.
Okay. Tell them.
Listen, don't.
If you can still rap, then you can do it until you're like 50, 60 years old. But it's kind of like what is she saying? Like, what is she saying? What was she saying? What's the song?
Niggas hear what she's saying.
Apiana.
You are Apiana. Like, you know what? First and foremost, let me say something.
Go ahead.
Capiana, nigga. Let me say something. Alright, what she's doing right now is adjusting to what out there and what.
She's singing ABCs 1, 2, 3.
And that's what niggas like out here. Niggas
Clearly
are like,
not, nigga. Clearly not.
y'all just some hating assholes. Like, and I'm just gonna say it and I'm gonna put it out there.
She just need to be herself. That's it. She not being herself.
Shatasha is upset.
Nah, I am upset because it's like 4 people that you don't talk about on this show.
Apiana, nigga.
You don't talk about Nicki Minaj. You don't talk about J. Cole. You don't talk about Chris Brown.
And Cardi B.
Nah, that's for Jessica Liz.
I love Cardi. She is lit.
Okay, so with this whole Queen of Rap shit, like, how you feel about that? Because that's a motherfucking lie.
I don't think that should just go to one person. Like, that shouldn't really, like, why does one person have to be the queen of rap?
Yo,
Why?
sis been in the game for how long now?
That's a fact.
How's she not letting Cardi do her thing? I'm asking.
But she's sitting here smiling because she already know what time it is. Like, I don't know why she playing.
It's
Yeah,
7:10.
Yeah, look at your watch because
It's
you already
7:10.
know.
That Lil Kim did, nigga. It's the same exact shit.
Exactly.
They ain't gonna be more than one queen because y'all don't let it happen.
That's because the
Ain't
way.
even have beef, and internet made it beef.
Okay, so it's not y'all. It's everybody around because when Nicki Minaj had whatever had, whatever she had going on, and then Cardi came out, it's like, oh, well, Cardi did this and da da da. Like, y'all pinned them up against each other. So, who created that competition?
Spicy.
Yeah, I'm feeling spicy. What?
She took the bait. So clearly
Of
she
course
got
you're
a
going
problem
to.
with her.
All right, that's like somebody coming into your territory and stomping on your ground. Like, you going to defend your ground, right?
Why they can't stomp together?
Exactly.
Nah, but nah. Cause
So you telling me that Nicki
it's
Minaj?
a difference when you coming in and you stomping on niggas' ground instead of you just coming
How
in
she
walking
stomping on
politely
niggas'
So
like,
Cardi
hey,
did that?
I'm
Or was that more
here.
so Nicki?
Hey,
She stomped on the ground because she made
she
better music.
stomped on that shit.
I'm just
what,
saying.
What? I don't think Cardi music is like that.
Cardi is
good.
making
I'm
better
sorry.
music.
We gonna have to
than
cut
Nicki
this off
Minaj.
for
I'm
5
sorry,
minutes.
it's really
I'm about to
not.
whoop her
Y'all
ass.
be gassing that shit.
Cardi
I'm sorry.
is that bitch.
What was the
Nah.
last fire Nicki Minaj song?
What you mean?
I can tell you
Her
what
whole
Cardi
album
mean.
was,
How I explain that any
nigga.
clearer?
Her whole album was.
Perform is actually lit though. I ain't gonna lie.
Is it on the radio right now though? Like they playing?
Oh
that shit?
no, it's
Alright,
not.
so-
But money is.
so that's
Niggas,
not- so that's
niggas,
not a hit.
niggas paying for that. Niggas paying for they shit.
Nicki-
Niggas paying for them
Nicki's a
spins.
millionaire. Why she can't pay
Niggas
for it?
paying
Oh,
for them spins.
no.
Nicki
Fuck
got
outta
her own
here.
station and ain't
Nah,
number one.
she-
Nigga, how that work?
Yo, stop coming for.
I'm not on camera. I ain't that.
Yeah, no, get your black ass in the camera and listen to the shit. Cause I hope one day she walk into the
She
studio.
because I know her manager.
Exactly. She gonna be like, oh, you that nigga that was talking all that shit.
My name is Brazzy.
Yo, I cannot.
I'm dead. Nah, honestly, just stop with the whole. That wasn't really my point. My point was like, as a female rapper, like I just feel like men are allowed to get away with a lot of shit. I mean, that's just the world. But like, y'all let men like lower how they are in the game. Like they could change their flow up and accommodate whatever is trending right now, and niggas will not think twice. Like, oh, that shit's still fire.
That's not how you do it, nigga. The only nigga that does that well
That's
is
true.
Drake and Jay-Z.
Yeah,
That's true.
Who else do it?
That's
should
true.
embrace.
That's true. Good point.
Nicki was not embracive of Cardi.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm just saying.
Jessica.
And Nicki ain't even have to change what she was doing. She just could have stayed how she was. I don't know why she trying to adapt to anything.
That's
She shouldn't
true.
be on no Blueface nothing.
Why? Why? Cause she's too old.
No, it ain't got nothing to do with old. That's just not her style, nigga.
Listen, she just.
Down, Tatiana.
And then on top of that,
Bust it down.
nigga manager came at her talking about, oh, we only do it exclusive remixes, da da da. And he was like, the remixes featuring YG and Cardi B. Nigga, he tagged both of them. So it's like clearly she heard the remix, heard Cardi B was on it, and decided to put her shit out first. That's clearly
So
what
what?
it was. My
So
point
what?
is, she's poking.
All
the
right,
bear,
so
nigga.
we gonna
She's
wait.
doing it.
What, did Cardi's come out?
I don't know.
All right, so we gonna do the comparison.
I mean,
then.
everybody know it's gonna be lit already.
I
so.
heard you. Who
The
gonna rate
song
it
is
for her?
called
I'm just
Tatiana,
saying.
nigga. You got a Spanish girl on the track. What
Who
you
gonna
think
rate it
gonna
for
happen,
her?
nigga?
Who
She
gonna
about
rate
to
it
be
for
You
her?
have
fired.
some nerve.
Who gonna rate it for her?
You have some
Who
nerve.
gonna rate it for her?
Like,
Oh, okay. All
Somebody
right.
fired, nigga.
Yeah, obviously, cause she not writing that.
so is Nicki writing her shit?
Nicki write her shit. Okay,
Next.
she write her shit. Onika writes her shit.
Next.
Fuck out of
She
here.
was in the studio with her.
I was right across the table. I seen the pen moving and everything.
Nah, she been holding down Nicki since middle school, so she's
Y'all,
really
what
a-
y'all not about to do is
she's
that.
really a fan.
Y'all not about to violate the queen.
I love Nicki though. Itty bitty piggy, all of that. I love all of that. But Cardi's my bitch though. So.
Whatever. So if we talk about ratchet bitches, right? Let's talk about
I'm just saying, Nicki ain't got a video like twerk. She could have did it for the good phone shit.
her
She ain't-
ass
she ain't
is
do it.
not movable like that. I ain't even gonna defend the ass.
Point.
So that's impossible. I mean, Anaconda was enough. It was kind of moving it.
Where-
Anaconda.
Nigga, the twerk video is way better than Anaconda. You tripping.
Fuck
That's a
you.
fact.
You tripping.
What?
I could flew out bitches too and had them shake their asses.
Oh my
But she
god.
She didn't,
Anyway.
though, 'cause she want to be the star. She don't want nobody taking her spotlight.
What the fuck ever? We talking about ratchet bitches. So.
Her ass move better than mine. Nah, fuck that bitch. That's how she move, my nigga. She don't like to share the spotlight. Some typical New York shit.
Sometimes you just, yeah. Well, shit. She from New York, so it is what it is. That's in our blood. Stop backing up. Anyway, ratchet bitches, right? So, all right, cause we talking about ratchet bitches. All right. So, do niggas love ratchet bitches?
That's a fact.
So niggas love ratchet bitches.
Because we don't,
Love.
the regular ones don't win, so that's a fact.
Okay.
Well, what's ratchet and what's regular?
Okay.
Come on now. Come on.
What's ratchet
Is
and
this
what's
the
regular?
is
That's
this
real-
ratchet?
Come
Is
on.
this
Come on.
Nah. Okay, I don't mean like ratchet like, all right, boom, all right. let's say like I'm not talking about like Ratchet don't take care of their kids and shit. I mean like like Ari, like I feel like she's
I love
Ratchet.
Ari. She's not
somebody else, 'cause
Ratchet.
I don't know who that is.
G Herbo.
No, I know who she is.
But she's not Ratchet.
Who would I be able to compare Ari to? A lot of bitches out here nowadays, like
Bitches that twerk and shit.
that,
Okay.
like
As opposed to girls
Just
that
being like
stay
an
home and study.
not even just
Trying to
staying
be
home
funny.
and study. Like I'm just saying, like I
Those,
feel
those
like
kind of girls never win. So the study ones that stay
that's
home.
a goddamn
Study
lie.
ones be the freaks.
Yes, they be the freak.
Okay.
They be the one that swallowed the whole.
We ain't have to get into detail, but
That's what we're not going to do. We're not gonna do this.
it's a family show.
Yeah, come on. We're
This
not
shit
gonna
say
do this.
rated MA on the top of the screen. This ain't
We
no
are
motherfucker.
not gonna do
If you're,
Yeah.
that's why we call each other bitches. I don't, it's a term of endearment. Okay, so anyway, back to Ratchet bitches. I'm just saying, like, all right, Ari, like you don't know who Ari is, whatever. I just feel like compared to his new girl, like,
She's a little ass girl.
okay,
Okay. His new girl's like what, 21,
But I
20
feel
years
like
old.
she
She's a
just low-
baby.
but
She's
she-
gonna accept stop.
she is.
She's going to accept everything that he wants.
Look this shit up.
Okay. She's going to obey his commands because she's a little ass girl. Ari's a grown ass woman. She's entitled to do whatever the fuck she wanna do. Period.
You just sound like
Ratchet?
a ratchet bitch too. But no nigga want no annoying ass bitch. Constantly being annoying, being in their face,
But how
not
she-
giving
but-
them space,
hold up. How
being overbearing. That shit is annoying.
How is Ari and G Herbo face though?
Wait, G Herbo.
Not right now.
Fabulous daughter.
Yeah.
I don't even need to look.
No, the girl's beautiful. Like
She-
she's
What?
she is a
Comparison?
beautiful
Shit.
What are you
That
saying?
girl is a goddess, my nigga.
I'm on
Nah,
her
she is
side.
beautiful.
You tripping.
Compared
But
to
Ari's
who?
What does
beautiful.
Ari
though.
look like? Let me see what.
No, I'm not vouching for Ari.
Wait till
I'm
you see
vouching for
Ari.
the new girl.
Wait till you
She
see
just thick.
Ari. So?
I'm sorry. She kind of got like a potato head to me. I'm not. She not.
Say you have a big head.
I
too.
do.
Wait, you talking about somebody's head?
But she looked like a potato.
We're not gonna do that.
But she looked like a potato.
Listen.
It's not nothing
Nah.
fascinating. I mean, to me, she just.
Ben said I want a Fab's daughter. I hate this nigga now.
I just feel like she not like. Ari is not nothing special to
She
me.
does not look better than Fabulous daughter.
That's what I'm saying. She don't look.
okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying she looked better. Oh,
No,
okay, okay.
I'm on. I think that he needed a girl that was just not so in the
That's
spotlight,
like 21 years old.
chilling.
She's
Some
she's-
niggas
How
need
old is
that.
he?
G Herbo, I don't know how old he
What
is.
he got to
but
be
in
like
his
26, 27? Yeah, like.
He's with a 21-year-old, so that explains.
So what?
So what?
Niggas don't want a loud ass, annoying
okay.
ass
Tasia,
girlfriend.
aren't you loud?
But guess what? I'm the opposite of my nigga. Like,
So is this like Ratchet and good?
yeah, but she,
Okay.
this bitch ratchet too. Like, cause she got her ways about her too. Yeah, looking stupid. But what I'm saying is, you like he the one that's like want to be in the spotlight or like, you know, he don't need a bitch that's like him. He need, you know, somebody that's standoffish in the back. Oh, that's my nigga, but I'm off to the side.
So it's easier for him to cheat and shit, right?
Sometimes,
Because ratchet bitches don't allow that, right?
what you
Quiet.
mean?
I mean, Latina, whatever her name is, she's just gonna sit back and allow all of that shit.
We don't know what she's gonna sit back and allow.
Mm.
You don't know.
I mean, she could really pull any nigga she want. I don't think
I
she-
mean, that's a
good.
fact.
don't
But I'm
think
just saying, she's still young. She probably just now falling in love. She's about to be
So
head
she'll
over
probably
heels.
cheat on him before he cheat on her.
I don't think so. He knows what he's doing.
Yeah,
That's why he left Ari.
Kylie left Tiger first.
I mean, I would leave Tiger too.
So I'm just saying,
That
like,
nigga
you never
came
know.
right back on her. That's how you
So I'm
get
just
over
saying, you
breakup.
never know. Like, I mean, oh, it's Black History Month. We cannot use the word nigga. I'm sorry.
He got to
No, in
fight,
honor of Black History Month, we got to use the word
Wakanda
nigga. Go
he,
ahead.
He
though.
got to fight Tiger. I mean, Tiger got to fight Travis.
Yeah,
He got to square up one time.
I don't think they're going to do that, though.
He ain't do it right. Tiger was supposed to get her pregnant. Stupid.
Yeah, he fucked up. You done lost the
Travis
bag,
set for
bro.
life,
Did y'all see Stormy's fucking
And I'm ratchet.
for his baby shower? I
Same.
mean, for his birthday?
nigga. Yeah, because I went online and looked
The
that up.
bitch had a fucking like ride in like a that shit was crazy, man. I wish
The
I had
face
money
thing
for no
looked mad
reason.
scary to me anyway.
Yeah,
It
that
was
shit
just- It was
look
a little
crazy.
it's
Yeah.
disturbing. I'm
All
like,
right,
Okay.
but going back to what we were saying though, yeah, niggas don't want ratchet bitches. Like, They don't want
I
that.
wouldn't say that.
I mean, some do, but I feel like
Most do. I mean, don't you guys feel like you made women the way they are now?
That's true.
I feel like y'all made us the way we are.
Nah, y'all made city girls.
Yeah,
If it
that's
wasn't
a
for
fact.
niggas, city girls would not exist.
If it wasn't for what?
Niggas being ain't shit and
Thirsty.
teaching bitches
If it
how to
wasn't
be
on the
ain't
gram.
shit.
If it
Y'all
wasn't-
created
if
these
it wasn't
bitches
for
that y'all
bitches-
hate.
If it wasn't for bitches being
Right.
prostitutes, there'd be no city girls. The city,
Where niggas-
the city girls are glorified prostitutes. I'm not on camera still, right? Cause I
Nah,
see
you
they
want.
He needs to
glorified
be.
prostitutes, bro. Come on, my nigga. They got a whole song about finessing niggas for their cash.
I have a song about finessing niggas for big
Where you
cash.
get it
But that's
from?
what y'all like. I don't understand why you're
Who
saying
like?
all of y'all.
No.
I'm so over this.
I
Like,
just no, cause I just went through this shit
Yo.
yesterday, my nigga, with a stripper bitch trying to finesse me. I'm the cheapest nigga in the world
Yeah,
when it don't
niggas-
come to myself. I ain't tricking off on no bitch for
Yeah,
no
nah.
reason, my nigga.
You gotta
Like,
really get a
that's
suck ass
crazy.
nigga to do that.
Like, come on, my nigga. I'm
All
That's
right.
true. But I just feel like city girls are the
I
bitches
don't even
that
pay
y'all
bitches if,
creating.
if I'm paying the fuck. I ain't even trying to pay you. So why would I pay you just for nothing? Come on, my nigga.
Listen, y'all niggas have created bitches that they hate. Period.
that's what I'm saying.
Y'all did it.
I ain't winning over here.
Okay, y'all created niggas y'all hate.
We didn't.
How?
We didn't create.
We just
these
learned
niggas.
y'all game.
Yeah.
Y'all thought y'all
And now we really. And you know what's crazy? We will do it so much better than y'all.
and
we'll
I ain't gonna lie,
finesse
we
the
all
shit
more
out of
sneaky
y'all.
and all that. We do.
It
have
don't
in
even
the
have nothing
bag.
to do.
No, it does though. They just dumb. Niggas are just dumb. Y'all dumb. Just dumb.
Yeah.
When it comes to cheating, y'all dumb.
What you mean? You're not never
Period.
getting cuffed?
You ain't called after that.
What?
Why would I
Oh,
wanna cuff
I'm done
anybody?
being
I'm
nice.
not saying you gotta.
He
find-
He want to take it there because I'm done being nice.
Listen.
That's it.
And that's where you lose the good guy.
Oh my
'Cause
That's
niggas,
true.
Niggas be the good guy. and then
Shantae,
y'all
shut
fuck
up.
it up.
No, it's a. I'm not even gonna
Shut
lie.
up.
It's a never-ending cycle.
Okay.
It is a cycle because you know you got the nice ass girl and then
Oh,
that
talk
ain't shit
about
ass
it.
nigga and then
Talk about
turn
it.
her into ain't shit ass bitch and then
You
she
got a
be the
nigga
nice
that, you
guy
know, ride
and
around
then
with
it's
the
just a,
cape on,
And
trying
I've
to
been
save
nice.
her.
I've been nice
and then
6
he get
times,
played.
5 times, 4 times. I've been too damn nice.
but
Try
I tell
again.
you that. But this is the thing.
And then, nah, hold on. And sometimes, like, I see it all the time because I done made enough gal cheat. Like, I don't know where the accent just came from, but
He's,
Nigga.
what, you made another what?
I made enough girls cheat on their man. So I can speak from experience.
Oh,
like,
damn.
I'm running out the camera.
Yo,
damn, I forgot my point. What the fuck was you talking about?
you made enough girls cheat on their niggas.
Nah, what were we talking about before that? Because there's a reason I said that shit.
Because I said I forgot what I said.
Oh, turning good guys to da da da.
Yeah.
Right. So, like, I've seen niggas, like, literally call their girl, text their girl all the time, da da da. And the bitch will be behind his back just bashing him. Oh, this nigga's boring. This nigga don't got no money. His dick little, da da da. All that. And then they fuck another nigga. Sometimes me, sometimes other niggas. I just
I'm
see
dead.
it. So it's just like, I told you what happened in the studios.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all turning the
So
good
then what
guy
happens to the
into
good girls?
It's not even the fact that you turning. No.
Sometimes y'all standards is too high. You gotta, like,
That's-
you expect a good nigga personality from a hood nigga. I'm sorry, if your nigga scam and sell drugs, he probably not a good nigga, bro.
But that's what I'm
Like,
saying.
you're not
You
gonna
think
get
so?
certain characters.
No, it
And
depends,
girls always
though.
feel like they could change a nigga. You ain't changing nobody at 20-something years old, my
That's
nigga.
true.
You're not changing.
That's true. I feel like girls are so like they have that instinct to want to better people. Like
That's a fact.
that they feel like they need to put their all
guilty.
into a nigga and
Mhm.
it's gonna alter, you know, a
It's gonna-
nigga.
it's
You
gonna get
cannot
you
change a
used more.
nigga.
That's
That's
it.
true. You
So-
can't
so what you
change.
gonna
You
do?
can't change a nigga.
Oh, this bitch gonna do this for me? Alright,
Yeah,
bet.
basically. I just feel like I agree with that wholeheartedly. Like I feel like you cannot change a nigga unless they ready to be
What y'all need
changed.
to start doing is giving the ugly niggas a chance. Feel me? Y'all want these pretty boys that every other girl want, my nigga. Like, you gotta lower your standards.
Let me
a
tell you
little.
something. No,
And
no.
all you do is give it the ugly nigga, boost him up for him to just go to the next
That's
bitch.
true, but let me
So
tell you something.
you never win.
Let me tell you about getting
You
these
never
niggas.
win.
Let me tell you about getting these
never
niggas
win.
that all the bitches want. You just gotta scare the bitches away, okay? Yeah, because
Talk
I
about
did
it.
it. All the bitches is scared away, and they won't even look there or utter high.
That is a
hey,
fact. I never seen no
shit,
girls that
I
really
will
comment
beat
on
a
his
bitch ass, and they know it. You just gotta assert yourself, okay?
That's a lot of work though.
Yeah.
And it
like,
was-
how many bitches
It's
you
not
gonna beat
fun.
away?
Let me tell you
And
something.
then
It wa-
that only works when your nigga is on board with you.
That's
a
true.
Because if she had an ain't shit ass nigga, it would
Yeah,
not
like,
work like that, and
it's
she
been
knows
on.
that because
I would have killed everybody.
I try to run all the raccoons, all the birds, all the geese, all of them away, and they don't stay away.
Nah, them
so-
just some You got them bitches that is like, we gonna share
Your
this
nigga has
dick.
to cooperate with you. Like, he has to meet you halfway with that. It's not just you.
That's true, of
You
course.
dating a
bitches
musician,
away,
you just gotta
'cause
live with
he's
the fact
still
that
gonna
he's not gonna
entertain.
settle down with you till he's
That's
30.
a fact.
Okay, so that's exactly what
But
I'm
I
saying.
just think that guys need to be more honest about what they want, because sometimes you're leading somebody to think that you know that you want something and that's not what you want.
Niggas ain't shit.
So let's talk about it.
Niggas ain't shit. I'm gonna make a song. Niggas ain't shit.
Can I feature?
You could talk your shit on the intro. Actually, that's what you could do. We
I'ma
can get in the
talk.
studio.
I'ma
You
just
wanna
talk. I'm
I
not
want
ever
some
gonna-
like Wale talking, like, you know, like how you come in with the
yeah,
poet.
I got you. I
Alright,
got
cool,
you. On
that's
that
gonna
one.
work.
That's a fact. All right, it's lit.
So we gonna take a break, and when we come back, we got our guest Carter.
Ow. You want a break?
Yeah, we going over.
Shit. I was trapping at apartments. The feds come knocking at the door. Shit, they better have a warrant. Homicide, my eyes warrant. You could get hit with no warning. I never miss me a target. I can't trust none of you niggas. You talk to the cops and these niggas informants. I keep some troops like there's a storm. Know them bullets keep pouring. Touch plays, I'm in the field, and the nigga keeps scoring. I got the rock, I feel like ball. No, I'm balling like Spalding. Niggas die every day of the week. No, I'm moving accordingly. I'm a dog, need a leash. You do the most and the least. Yes, I'm a owner on lease. Sheesh. Skirt. Gelato will pull up to me. Just by one push of a key. Big homies, they look up to me. Already done been in these streets. I got a tribe and a chief. I'm running down like a breach. I gotta keep it at reach. Niggas ain't rolling with me. I keep the coupe 2 seats. Nigga to keep shit brief. I had to follow the sheep. Sheesh. Nigga reap what you sow. I had to get it alone. I was out road running out on interstates. I was trapping through zones. Creeping through bandos, home invasions. I was creeping through homes. If a nigga ever catch me lacking, I'ma haunt you like bones. It's either you right or you wrong. I had to right on my wrongs. Ain't no more leaning my phone. And this finger to the dome. I'm insane, you a clone. You ain't gang, you ain't on. Niggas is dick riding hoes. Valencia back from Rome. I'm feeling like Sean Diddy Combs. Free all my niggas that's gone. I'm screaming free T.O. My niggas stay masked up. Niggas connect for the ransom. Niggas spin up like they cast the bando was blessing the trap. These niggas ain't perfect to pass. The perfect co-killers, co-caskets. I had to keep me a ratchet. Niggas is sleep with the maggots. I keep a couple of gadgets. Niggas run up and I'm blasting. Bodies collapse. I had to grind for the cabbage. I keep a gang of assassins. Niggas that think that I'm capping. Till I run up, get the clapping. Eyes up, what's cracking? These niggas ain't killers, they chatting. These niggas ain't dealers, they ratting. I run them no one and the bullets start storming the niggas. I wonder what happened. You niggas ain't doing no damage. You know that the trap was abandoned. The Bentley would smell like mad piff. And we had to sleep on a mattress. No warning now. No warning now. Huh? Yeah. Got a new target every week. Niggas down and I'ma show who I be. I do a lot, but I barely speak. Don't mention me, consequences get deep. Got no real ops. I got grown men that act like little dots. Talk shit but never pop. You on Facebook, we up on your block. Got real shit to attend to. I'm not the type to make amends, dude. I bossed up, that offends you. Got your wifey at the venue. I come from nothing, I grind for my blessings. You niggas obsessing instead of accepting a God in your presence. To hate me is tempting, exempting a few from this message, but trust me, I could be your ending. We at the top of the top. You love it, she top off the block. They all want the spot. Be smart in these streets, or you could get got. Kick in the door, we don't knock. Squad rocking flags like they pop. Get on the mic, you get rocked. No wonder we got it on lock. They want us to stop, but I'm thinking not. Fuck, I look like beefing with a perky addict. You a dick eater. Niggas pussy dancing like Aaliyah. I'm coming direct if I see you. Keep my name out your mouth and watching silence as he pre us. Domination still at the top. All these niggas want be us. No warning now. No warning now. No warning now. No warning now. Shit.
that's too bad, huh? But I guess you'll always come in.
They box me in. Don't wanna see me win. On my way to the top, and I won't stop. Pull up on your bitch. Murcielago. Take her for a spin. Hit a pavo. Everything I'm pago. Nunca sapo. Sipping gin. Over her skin. Back, like a brand. She going all in. Yeah. Kicks Margiela. Like Nutella. Give me top. Yeah, I love her. Bundle up. Fendi sweater. Bundle up. Fendi sweater.
I ain't giving up now. Ain't no feelings involved. I'm just starting on my ex. But I wasn't trying to flex. You can call it what you want. All I do is maneuver. I don't fuck with intruders. I'm taking no bets. No matter what's in the bank. And if you ain't with the movement, I don't know what you were doing. She hit me with the latex. She said fuck me. So I'm on to the next. Step in the scene and I drip. Watch the flex in the wrist. After the flip, cash lane, making a way. Keep on talking, cause it's fuck what you say.
Gee, that's too bad, huh? But I guess you'll always come in second.
Hey yo, JB, why you so fucking cold outside?
Hey yo, 150. Bundle up, kid. I know you got a Fendi sweater.
Shut the fuck up. We going live.
Don't do that.
Hey, welcome back to Domination Radio. I am your host, Shay.
And Jess.
And we have a guest with us today, Karter. Really?
How you doing? How you doing?
We do.
This would have sounded like at my 8th grade graduation.
Almost.
I couldn't graduate with everybody. There was like 5 people in the crowd.
What?
They made me graduate separately.
Oh, you was in a special class?
Nah,
Oh.
because they had suspended me for 50 days.
Oh, nigga, you should just started the next school year. Like,
nah, it was very important to my mother.
Anyway, so what's up, Karter?
Working hard. I got a project coming up March 25th. Still promoting my video, Heartbreak Hotel. More music coming probably.
Oh, you gotta hear that song.
Yeah, I do.
You will be like in tune with that.
Like probably like by Wednesday or next week. Not this coming Wednesday, but the next Wednesday. I probably got some more music coming. You know, my whole team working. PPG. You know, shout out my little brother working. Passport. My older brother working. Everybody around me working. Finally got my official DJ, DJ FL. Shout out to DJ FL. Just like a lot of moves being made. You know, this year. I just felt like it was time for me to just take the whole music thing way more serious. You know what I'm saying?
So we all getting that feeling.
Facts.
Yeah, like it's just it was time to go, and it's like I got music. People don't realize it, but like my niggas know that Heartbreak Hotel is like a year old.
I know.
Yeah, it's like a year old, so it's like I just put a little bit more fire behind it because like I started feeling like that was the record to start pushing. So that's what I did.
Yeah, because everybody be in their motherfucking bags nowadays.
Everybody was in their feelings, so I said fuck it. I'm forever in my feelings. People use that against me, but
Oh yeah,
you're not alone.
That's just me. It's just
that's just
what I
some
do.
sensitive ass niggas
Shut
out
up. She is the Shatasia.
See, and that's that conversation y'all was having before.
Yeah, like
that's
she.
the problem.
Yeah.
What's the problem?
You
The
act like you
problem
have
is-
no emotions, and you're so emotional.
And
I don't have no heart.
It's not. That's bullshit. We know what it is. It's like because, and I agree with you, because men have done so much damage in the past.
Oh, okay.
And like culturally, it's been accepted. Now the black women feel like there's this urge to take charge now. Now I gotta be in charge because this nigga not holding up his end of the deal.
Oh, I gotta snap to that.
So, but what it is, but now what you're doing is, now for the dudes that want to do the right thing, for the dudes that want to do the right thing, if you coming off a little bit too much and you trying to do more than what somebody that's focused is trying to do, now it's like I gotta separate myself. I gotta get away. And when y'all was talking about Herbo and his situation,
looking at what Shorty doing right now, best thing he could have did for himself was get away from her.
That's true.
Because I mean, it's a lot of bad bitches out there. Like, go on your Instagram, like a pretty face and a fat butt is really not that difficult to find. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
that's true.
Me and my man talk about that all the time. Like, yeah, she look good as hell. She is good. I put my mouth all over her fine ass. But realistically, somebody that's, if you in your bag, you working, you trying to, you know what I'm saying, take your career to the next level. And Herbo's definitely one of them niggas that needs to do that in the next few years or in the next few months, take his career to somewhere where he can be comfortable for life. You gotta cut ties with people that want drama, want to argue.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Until
Like,
you guys get that type of girl.
No nigga want no messy ass bitch.
that's a fact.
Oh, but they don't want anything then, because you don't want a messy bitch. You don't want a good bitch. What do you want?
Nah, I mean,
I want somebody that's working towards what they working to. You know what it is? I want somebody that's gonna put themselves first. Listen, I hate
Wait,
this
what's the
shit.
question?
It was no question.
Next. Okay, so.
Cuffing season?
Nah, nigga, it's about to be summertime. All that cuffing shit is out.
Damn, we
Well,
didn't get through Valentine's Day
nah,
first.
fuck. You know what?
I used to have
It's
a
about
shirt
to
that
be
said "Love
summertime.
kills slowly." I used to wear that on Valentine's Day exclusively.
I know. I was about to say. Some
It used to be a
bullshit.
$20 fee for cuffing.
Yeah, in the club.
It was you gotta pay up. That's a fact. Or you could just be sick and tell all your bitches you love them.
See? You see?
Sometimes you just gotta.
Shut up, Shay.
Okay.
But here's the crazy thing about it is it's possible to love. If you got multiple bitches, it's possible to
Why
love.
you can't just love them all?
You could. It's possible. You
Yo,
could
I
love.
have
You're not
multiple-
gonna love them
Exit the
equally, but
You-
you could
you
love.
could,
If
exactly.
you have more than one kid, you're not gonna love them all.
Exactly.
Hell no.
Is he dumb?
Exactly.
After Legend, my next kid. I don't know if I'm gonna love them the same. Like,
You
I'ma
could
love
love
them more.
multiple people. Now, is that conducive for a relationship? Probably not.
well,
But
if
it's
you-
possible.
If you in a polygamous
I'm just saying, we
relationship-
black. We
Which-
supposed to believe in polygamy.
This is very true.
Yo,
Let me
Zell,
fucking
you
tell you
are
something,
really
okay?
amazing. Like,
Let me tell you something
he
right
is
now.
I'm just saying things for
amazing
shock value.
today. This is amazing.
I mean, it's not anything to take off the table, considering, you know what I'm saying, like
All right, so
what's
why?
going on in relationships currently.
But I just need the same
that's
energy
true.
on the opposite end. Like, if we gonna do polygamy or whatever,
That was
You
I
my
bet
thing.
you to have three motherfucking husbands.
That's
too.
a fact. I
Like,
want
I'm not trying to
five
hear 3 wives,
African
and we can't have
kings.
3 husbands.
Can you
I
support
want
that?
5 African kings.
Nah, they need to be supporting the wife.
But see what that is.
The
what
reason
that
we get
does is
more is 'cause
nobody
we
wants to
support
hear
them
this,
all.
but then that changes the dynamic of the family. Like social structure, right? Like social structure does exist, whether we want to like
hear the words,
admit it or
nigga?
not.
That's
like,
true.
It
Social
does admit. It's like
structure.
you ever see when you like I worked in a school for a little while, so like when you go to the school and a little nigga start wilding out, people start asking questions like, "Is his
Where your
dad
father?
At? Where's your dad at?"
Because
Where's
that's
your
the
pop?
first question I'm asking.
Because they know that type of sternness that it takes to sit a child down like that comes from a man.
That's a
So
fact.
it's definitely a fact that whether it be
This guy
science
was prepared.
or whatever
That's
it
true.
is, whether it's science or whatever the case may be, there is a structure in the
Listen, I
family.
can't share my man.
What,
Point blank period.
I mean, whatever it is that we got going on, obviously not working, so we gotta try something different. That's like the definition of insanity when you're doing the same
just
thing
gonna have to go our
over and
separate
over
ways.
again. Listen, sometimes that's what it comes to.
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Relationships don't have to be, it's not written in stone, it has to be one way.
Oh, of course
Everybody-
not.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody should do it their way, but just know what worked for you. Don't do what worked for your homegirl, don't do
Yep.
what worked for your man, do what worked for you.
Yep.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
That is my like ultimate like advice to people when they come to me about shit is
Facts,
do
Herb.
what the fuck you think is the right thing to do. Because if I tell you some shit and you follow it and it worked for me and it ain't work for you, I don't know what to say after that. Like, I'm
That's a fact.
just as
And
lost
that,
as you.
That goes for every aspect of life, relationships. Even, you know what I'm saying, when you working on your music, can't nobody tell you, you know what I'm saying, what worked for you if
That's
it don't
true.
work for you. My ex told me not to sing.
Wait, so you sing too?
She was like, leave
Yeah.
that shit alone. Like,
He be like,
she was
what
like,
he be saying?
She was like, that shit's whack, leave that shit alone.
Nah. He got one song. What song I always
They didn't
listen
want you
to?
to be great.
Yeah, she didn't. That sounds like some hitting that shit.
Nobody, when I, the hardcore rap records I was putting out, nobody wanted to hear that shit. Nobody listened.
Now,
From the
where you
camera,
at?
right?
That's my shit.
We
I
was
play
just-
that song every day.
We was just playing that in the car.
Gotta hear that. I be singing
Yes,
it.
I need to hear.
Yeah, it's fire.
Were you on the spot? What's your favorite line?
Bitch, where you at? Yeah, nigga, no. He know. I be singing that in the car. Legend even be singing it too, cause I be
Oh,
playing.
Lord
I play all my friends' music, you know, cause I'm just that type of person. Like,
That's what's up.
yeah, I don't really not. Be.
I just recently like got to a point where I have like full playlists at home where I could just play Long Island niggas all day long. I got enough Long Island music in my phone to just play LI music all day. It's fire on the island. It's just whether people gonna support it or not.
We have this discussion all the
Who
time.
gonna get behind it? You know what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
that's true.
It's really getting like
and
to
then
a
hold
point.
on, since we here, and
Yeah,
certain
let me.
people's watching. I will
Okay.
say, like,
Who told
you
you
know,
shit?
when you see your man's in the front, you know what I'm saying? If you see somebody in the front and somebody doing what they doing, that doesn't mean that you're not doing what you doing. That doesn't
Okay.
mean you're not balling.
Talk
That
your
just
shit.
means he balling too, and you can ball with him.
That's a
But
fact.
when you start going to DJs and you start going behind people's back and having conversations about other niggas and telling niggas not to play the next nigga's music and shit like that.
Doing some bird ass shit.
that's
Sound
whole
like
shit.
Nicki.
That's
You
whole
know, cause you know what's crazy? I felt it coming. I felt it coming. I
This
felt
sound
it.
like Cardi
I
with the
felt it.
braids.
I
Yo,
felt it
nah,
coming.
I ain't gonna hold you though.
I
gonna-
felt it
I ain't
coming.
gonna,
I see you
I'ma
looking.
you want me to keep it a buck with you?
Y'all really over here
I
trying
seen
to
you
blackball
looking, and I was ready
Nicki
for it.
Minaj.
You want me to keep
Cardi,
it a buck with
Keep
you?
it a buck.
You my nigga, I'm gonna be real with
Nah,
you.
I want to hear it now.
I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Nicki was out of pocket all the way. She was ready. It was like she had been prepared for the smoke the whole time. And I think where a lot of people discredit Nicki is her energy with Cardi B is not her energy with Remy.
Oh, that's a fact.
She in so many
Because
ways.
where was that energy, though?
according to the street rules, because I don't know, according to how they talk and how they play, what Nicki did was playing the police. She went
She
to
played the police with Cardi.
You know what I'm saying? She went to the label. You know what I'm saying? She complained, and then, they took Remy music down because the ether beat. You know what I'm saying? That's technically in the rap game, I guess.
I'm sorry, guys. Shatasha, I can't hear you. What happened?
That's playing
I'm
the
just
police.
listening.
She was police with Cardi too.
And
Cardi,
I feel
Cardi
like
came to her for the fade and she walked
and
away.
you want to know what's crazy?
Okay, she
it's
can
so
fuck Nas
bad
though.
for the,
Nas to get that.
And you know what's crazy? It's so bad for the culture because I do believe it's not up for debate. Nicki lyrically might just be better than she's better than Cardi B.
I
as
take
a
that
overall,
mic out.
as an overall rapper.
Most definitely is.
But it's like what she did to the culture was some hater shit. Like you looked at the young person on the rise.
That's true.
And instead of saying, yo, come, I'm saying let's do
work
this
it together.
and let's take over, you was like, all right, no. But see, that's like you said, for the double standard for women in rap, I agree. And the double standard is there's only room for one at a time.
That
Y'all
is
both-
true,
y'all
but
both
people.
can't be popular.
All right, but we're gonna it's not just her that did that. Like you gotta think like social media, they did that too. Like everybody had a part in creating whatever situation it was between them. So we can't just blame Nicki Minaj for that.
What-
The same
That's
and it's a
true.
fact, and that's a fact. I was just about
That's
to say
true.
that. That's exactly what Kim did to her, and it was
Listen.
corny then, it's corny now.
Yeah.
And I ain't gonna hold you. I was on Nicki's side
That's
for
true.
the
At
Remy
first-
situation
the
too.
Remy- oh.
With the Remy
And you know how
situation
Cardi
too, I was
doing it
on her
better?
side for
But
that
guess
too.
what
Cause
though?
now the City Girls rapping. Guess who they collab with?
Okay,
Cardi
well
could've been
we're
on some
gonna see
hating
if they
shit.
gonna
Oh, fuck
open the
them
door.
bitches.
Whatever we got, whatever. Okay, so they
Had Nicki in that video, my nigga.
Nicki at.
That whole video was lit. Like, you
And I don't even
That
think-
would have been on Pornhub instead.
And the City Girls is like, that's a whole nother conversation.
Nah, the
It's
City
that
Girls-
season.
That shit, let me tell you something. What they did, the market for what they doing, they gonna make money.
That is
But
true.
it's terrible for the culture.
It is.
It
It's
is.
horrible.
It
And you wanna know what's crazy? I kind
Terrible.
of.
Is it terrible though? I feel like
It's
Here you
awful.
go.
That
I-
shit
nah.
is
What
we were talking about
terrible.
No. What I mean is like that type of girls always existed. I feel like it's just now they got a little bit of a voice.
I feel like that's
Yo, let me tell you
And we
something.
had a voice for that nigga the whole time.
Listen.
That's
R.
true.
Kelly.
He made some of the greatest music.
It's hard to let that music go.
That's
stuff
a,
in the name
that's a
of
different
love, nigga.
situation.
Definitely
That's a different
voice for
situation.
pedophiles.
I ain't listen.
You know what's crazy though? Like I'm not gonna lie. Like I kind
bad.
of switched my lane with how I rap and I talk about certain things because that's what the culture want right now. I can't really go in and be like, yeah, like I'm about to shoot. Like I can't even get on that type of. Now I'm talking about like flexing on niggas and
But see,
that's what
disrespecting
people like.
niggas.
I can't do that. Like I like the fact that
yourself.
a lot of niggas, the big question about me and the large reason why the quote unquote certain people don't fuck with me is I'm gonna do me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make what I do popping because that's what blows.
See,
in
my
all
thing
honesty,
is-
you know what I'm saying?
That's what lasts.
You know what I'm saying?
It does.
Like, when I'm gonna create my own sound, I'm gonna create my own vision, and I'm gonna push that first. And I ain't really, you know where it is, and it's gonna sound foul, but like, I ain't worried about the hood, cause The
Can't
hood,
be.
the hood don't. I'm saying the hood don't buy tickets to your shows.
Sure
you know
the
what I'm saying?
fuck don't.
The hood gonna support you when you show up to the club. You know what I'm saying? Like when the club,
Nigga said unless they
when,
bitch.
when the club put you. You know what I'm saying? And then when the niggas that the
that's
hood
true.
put on don't get to the big bag. You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying? Like NBA YoungBoy and them niggas, they not eating to the degree as like a Drake or somebody like that.
That's true.
And they ain't never gonna touch that bread. You know what I'm saying? And that, especially with some of the shit that he be doing. So, you know, it's just I'm worried about staying in the lane with the people that can understand my music and I can grow and I can be as artistic as I want to be. I ain't really worried about appealing to niggas in my
He's
comments.
like a young Kanye up here.
Honestly, yeah. No, I'm for all of that. Like, don't get me wrong,
Old
but
Kanye.
to me, I feel like niggas is not. I just want to, for right now, I want to appeal to whatever there is out there, and then when I get in that, I'ma be like, "Aight, Lord, this is me."
But see, that's the problem there, because then let's say you blow up with some shit that's not you. And
That's
now
true.
you try and be yourself. Nobody gonna accept
I mean,
Yeah, that's
you wanna
true.
hear,
That's
you know.
that, that's
But then I could just
I
turn
don't
into a
ever
J.
wanna hear
Cole,
this.
my
I don't ever
nigga.
want to hear the city girls
that's
doing
in,
some
that's in the
conscious
industry
record,
too,
bro.
because look at what happened to Wale.
Yeah.
Wale's first record was Nike boots. Everybody thought he was a gangster rapper. Facts.
Yeah.
Everybody heard Nike boots and they was like, oh shit, like this was some hard shit. You know what I'm saying? Then he had Diary and then you know all these other records that was more poetic.
All that.
You know what I'm saying? Which was
I love
it
this
was fire,
music.
but it was a change of pace.
Listen, I mean, like,
I mean, Ye did a change of pace too.
no, that nigga is
But
just.
what Ye did was
changed every
creative.
album.
You know what I'm saying? He changed music with what he did.
Yeah.
The
Period.
devil is
Yeah.
a liar.
What was that album called? Heartbreaks and
Yeah,
Italy?
yeah.
That changed
Yeah.
music.
But his
Period,
subject
it
matter
did.
hadn't really changed. Like, he still never went on the record talking like no gangster shit. You know
Oh
what I
yeah,
mean?
nah,
Like,
but it was just like
he's still being
The
himself.
sound of
Tempo,
music,
yeah,
yeah.
the-
He
that.
changed it. He influenced that. I mean, yeah, like Kanye, yeah, he shifted
Wayne,
music.
that's a
Wayne,
fact. Yeah,
definitely
Wayne-
Little Wayne.
Wayne changed music
Yeah,
too. He switched up.
that's
too.
why all these
But I
little
feel
niggas
like
that's
Wayne
out here
didn't
now.
switch up. I think we just wasn't paying attention
Yeah,
for a while.
yeah, I think
That's
Wayne,
true.
Wayne was doing like
That
if
is
I go
true.
back only because Port fucked with Wayne the way he did, but like I didn't before the drought and stuff. I really wasn't paying attention to Wayne, but when I heard the drought, then I'm like, let me go back and see what else is out there. Oh, the Carter 2 was fire. Oh,
Yeah.
Carter 1 has some shit.
But
on
in
it too.
when niggas think back to Little Wayne, they automatically gonna go back to the Carter 3. Like that's where everybody mind going.
But when you
like.
think about it, the Carter 2 is what it was the talent.
That's
it was like,
true.
The Carter 3 is when everybody was watching. Like
Yeah,
you know
but that's what I'm
saying.
saying. Everybody's
Everybody-
bandwagoning now. Like that's just how shit is. Like you got people's attention for like 3 seconds and then they on to the
Right.
next thing. So it's like,
Trish, what up?
what the fuck do you do? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. It's all I know is that we need to be out here supporting each other
That's a
and
fact.
pushing Long Island artists. I cannot stress this enough.
I don't know how it is in Nassau, but I'll tell you right now,
Oh, it's the
Suffolk
same
County,
thing. The same thing.
boy,
It's bad.
that hater shit is super real. Like,
What you
super
think
real.
it is in Nassau?
Super real.
You went from super real to super duper real. Like what you
Damn.
get in Nassau County? Like
shit is
the
crazy.
only. Oh, okay. The only town that I can really say that support each other, and I'm gonna always say this, is Hempstead.
The Stead always
That's
got the
it.
Stead, boy.
That's
That's a
it.
fact.
Niggas is
Shout out
supporting
to the
each
Stead
other
the long
in
way,
Hempstead.
actually.
Oh Lord.
Shout out to the
I'm
whole
sorry.
100 block.
They are the only town that I know that actually supports each other. And they push each other. It don't matter what you're doing. You could be selling plates,
I'm
selling
dead.
clothes, selling
Nah.
bundles, selling
That's a
hair,
fact. Doing nails.
anything. And they will put they stand with each other.
Maybe because we don't have enough people in Roosevelt anymore.
That's true too. Well, Roosevelt is just one.
You know what it
fucking
was?
square mile.
I'll tell you. You wanna know what happened in the Velt?
I'm listening since you know.
Y'all let Reek take the reins. And nobody wanted to challenge him. Period.
Jesus.
I'm just keeping it real.
I don't think.
Reek took the reins because he was with Buster.
Yeah.
Yeah, niggas was like, oh,
Yeah, we
Reek
on
gonna put us
like
on, you know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
and
We
that
gonna
wasn't
be
the
lit.
case
that wasn't the case.
at
That's what
all.
people are waiting for. Well,
Honestly
were waiting
speaking,
for.
nah, I'm gonna curb what I say for today. I'm curb what I say for today.
Say that shit. Nah, I'm just
Okay, so introduce your song and let them know what it is.
Hey yo, what's up? This is Karter. This is my single Heartbreak Hotel. Gonna be on my upcoming album. Everybody loves a trap nigga.
Everybody love Jack.
Everybody loves a trap nigga.
Oh yeah.
Nobody
come
really
back,
loves a trap nigga.
We gonna-
Sometimes I wonder if my address is at the Heartbreak Hotel. Cause this a feeling that I know well, oh well. I wanna move, but I always lose. Maybe it's the bitches that I always choose. Either they from the block or the projects. They be low, I build them up like a project. Wanna say I love them, but I'm like, nah, yeah. I swear bitches that come with that nonsense. That nonsense always come with that good neck. That good neck always come with that good sex. She fly like I'm fly, that's a hood flex. Lord have mercy, I pray she don't hurt me. I don't deserve it, I used to be a good nigga. I swear to God I was a good nigga. Then I met Corey and I lost my mind. Shorty thinks like a nigga, that explains the name. Ever since I met this young woman, I am not the same. I done done some things to some women, I should be ashamed. Gave this bitch my heart and she played with it like a game. Nigga said, Mari, don't do it, don't say her name. But nigga, I remember this shit like yesterday. It will never fade away. Like the love, money, and the time that I gave away. Wish I never met you, you're so disrespectful. Never let a nigga disrespect you. Did all I could to protect you. You make love stressful. I hope somebody can help you. I hope he makes you feel special. But I never felt special. Every bitch I met after you, I did disasterful. Yeah, love hurts, I guess you did what you had to do. Yeah. Love hurts, I guess you did what you had to do. If my address is at the Heartbreak Hotel. Cause this a feeling that I know well, oh well. I wanna move, but I always lose. Maybe it's the bitches that I always choose. Either they from the block or the projects. They be low, I build them up like a project. Wanna say I love you, but I'm like, nah, yeah. I swear bitches that come with that nonsense. The nonsense be the ones with no conscience. Stay fucking up with no responses. Abilities, I guess you wasn't feeling me. I let emotions drain all of my energy. I love bitches that pillow talk with my enemies. You are not my girl, you just a friend of me. Bitches on the internet, not who they tend to be. That's why I'm ducking these inboxes they sending me. I'm guessing that your heart was a loner and you was lending me. You was just lending me. I said heartbreaks and promises. I've had more than my share. I'm tired of giving my love and getting nowhere. All I need is somebody.
Okay, feeling the vibes in my bag now, in my bag. So let them know your IG or your SoundCloud information and everything.
Yo, I'm on Apple Music now too. So,
okay.
It's Karter with a K, Karter _2K.
Okay. Everything?
For everything. Everything. Even my Snapchat where I keep it lit. You might catch Shy dancing on my Snap. You feel me? Getting crazy. Or whooping somebody's ass on my Snap.
All right, good show. And we're going to catch y'all next Sunday at 7. You already know the vibes. I'm Shay.
And I'm Jazz.
And we got Carter in the building. But we're out of here.
Bye.
We about to fuck this over. That's so Harlem. We left him in critical. Death for a hospital bed is the minimal. I know some ops that try to act like fans when they see me. My nigga, I'm plotting to get rid of you. Was missing my man. He fresh out, he just did a bit or two. I knew this nigga since middle school. I talked about him when I did my interviews. I can't wait for you to start. We gon' finish you. Doc was a 40, the vodka was pinnacle. Saying we cousins, I never was friends with you. Backyard, I swim with my daughter, jumped in the pool. Straight to the telly, not making no dinner move. Talk about them corners and foreigns, we been a few. Don't kiss your wife, had her face in my genitals. Allergic to niggas need Benadryl. Comfortable, I'm where the killers chill. Couldn't go get them, they send them still. 1 in 15s, that 30 a bigger pill. Talking about me like you know me, gon' get you killed. I ain't met a nigga that won't bleed. I don't do the club, that's the pole with me. Graveyard shift, got coke or weed. I know you suck dick, can't smoke with me. Pineapple Fanta, I mix with a sip or two. I'm dirty, I felt all my physicals. Method Man and Belly, I'm in your living room. My bitch from Costa Rica, she gon' get it through. Bitch, I'm a legend, they don't really know what this pink could do. Championships, I'ma win a few. Maybe I get hot, I'm so low in the rental, just spinning through. I see a bitch blow a kiss or two. I don't care what color.